So how do you find the specs of your iPad Pro or generally any iPad? Now, at first, just go to your settings app of the iPad, tap on general and go to the about section. And we want to find out what the model name is of your particular iPad. So in my case, it is the iPad Pro 11-inch version, and it's also the 3rd generation. So now that we know the exact model of the iPad, we can move over to the Safari web browser, and you can type in into the search, literally compare iPad models. And this will show you the Apple's official website where every single iPad is going to be listed in there. So you can compare 2 or 3 iPads, but generally you want to click on the selection and locate your exact iPad model. So in my case, it's the iPad Pro 11-inch 3rd generation. It's going to show up right there, and I can literally scroll through all of the data and all of the specs pertaining to my iPad. And as you can see right here, it lets you compare it with other iPad models, but you can just focus on your own. And in my case, I can see which type of camera I have and the chip, essentially the connector, Face ID, whatever, it is all written in this column, so you can scroll through all of it and you'll be able to find everything. But another method is to come back to the settings app and again go to the general and about section, and as you can see, we have the model number in there as well. So you can tap on it like this and copy that model number. So in my case, it is A2377. And when I go to Google as well and just paste the A2377, I can just type that in, or I can just add the word specs to it, and it's going to give me all of the technical specification of that iPad model. Again, I can find it out on the Apple's website or even on a third-party solutions or review sites or whatever. So there are more ways how you can get to know your iPad a bit more. So these are the 2 most common ways. Let me know what you think about that below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos.